It's unbelievable. The guy put a piece of PVC plastic on the stove to bake. Then it is pressed flat with marble. The flat plastic sheet is then cut around. When the cut is done, you have several equal rectangles. The surface will be polished below. Polish well and apply 502 glue for bonding. Glue 3 pieces of plastic together. After this operation, you get a thickened piece of plastic. Notice how tightly it's glued. Then it needs to be cut again. Cut and trim all 4 sides once. And then we're gonna polish all 4 corners into circular corners. Trim the rounded corners. Make a mark with a ruler. Then drill holes at the marks. Fix the 4 seats, so the base of the small drill is completed. The boy then took out a compass and a paper ruler. Draw a mark on a square piece of plastic. Look at the boy's skill in drawing lines and marking. I thought he was a designer. To one's surprise, the boy turned out to be a college student in the village. I majored in mechanics. This summer vacation, the teacher arranged a practical assignment. The young man had an idea. Think of laboratory processing. Small parts are very inconvenient. Just tell the teacher, I'm going to build a miniature bench drill. The teacher was very surprised when he heard about it. Says he makes his own bench drill. What material to use? How can we ensure the accuracy of the drilling machine? The boy swore to make a promise to the teacher. Take out my math score of 120 in the college entrance examination. The teacher chose to believe in giving the boy a chance. Tell the teacher what materials you need. The boy said just need PVC plastic and a few main components can be. At first the students couldn't believe it, even laughed at the boy for his fantasies. The boy doesn't care. Silent action up. To one's surprise, after 3 days of the boy's efforts, micro bench drill, it was really made by a guy. The moment the bench drill machine runs, just know what is the master in the folk. The whole process is very elaborate. Full attention to design. Handmade. Now let's look at the details of the boy's production. The production process to share with you. See, the guy targeting every part of the bench drill machine is carefully designed. Choose a 2 cm diameter steel pipe. Vertical support shaft for drilling machine. Make a clasp in the middle. Easy to adjust the drill press up and down position. The same is done with screws. Then draw circles on the plastic sheet. The comparison is exactly 8 centimeters. Neat design requirements. Then drill a hole in the circle. You get 3 round holes of different sizes. 9 pieces of plastic were made. Superimpose all. The joints are glued with 502 glue. Practical and economical. Sand the edges. Make it more smooth and sleek. Then prepare 3 plain bearings, installed inside the round hole. After careful calculation, plain bearing and round hole depth is exactly the same. The round hole on the left is inserted into the small bearing. Add a 50 horsepower spring. Symmetric rear-mounted plain bearing. The upper end is secured with plastic rings and screws. Avoid delimiting. Can see, even if the job is to press down, it can bounce back easily. Back far left. That's where the drill bit works. Insert a connector. Hammer firmly with a wrench. Then use the plastic sheet again. Cut according to design. Then make a fixed position for the motor. The same thing is all fixed with glue. In order to ensure the robustness of the connection, never economize on glue. Then take out a brand new motor. Secure it to the far right of the drill press. Then I took out my belt. Connect the left and right sides. In order to achieve power output and transformation, you can see the designer is very clever. The distance between all the parts is perfect. Such hands-on ability. What do you think? Any more perfect suggestions? It is worth noting, the guy also designs an arm conversion press. Although it is a small drill press, the boy gave 100% effort. And to increase the protection of the drill press, the boy also thoughtfully made a safety cover above. Video here. The production of the whole rig is basically to the final link. The last guy needs to put a switch on the rig. Convenience switch and speed adjustment of the rig. Pay attention to the wiring. Here it uses a small electric motor, so the output voltage is converted. Install the switch right in front. Glue in. Connect the switch circuit to the motor. Here a reduced table drill is completed. Isn't that very subtle? Plug the rig in. Screw switch. The drill turned quickly. Switching speed. Then install a small drill floor on the right side to fix it. After the adjustment is complete, the drill machine test is ready. After turning on the switch, it's very easy to drill into a plastic sheet. It is also very convenient to operate. The boy gradually increases the difficulty of drilling parts when using. As expected, it was very relaxed. The production is successful. Teachers and classmates all praised it after seeing it. This kind of micro drill press is really great. What do you think? This is where I say goodbye to everyone. I'll see you in the next video.